Hey, I am going to show you how to make a citation for your annotated bibliography. So, in order to do that, you first want to find a citation website. And so the one I'm going to use is called Citation Machine, but there are several others that work very similarly. Even just looking down here, you can see EasyBib, uh, BibMe, Cite This For Me. All of them are ones that you can use depending on your preferences, but let's start with Citation Machine. If I go to their website just from Google, it'll take me here where I have the option to either upload my paper so that they can do some kind of grammar check to it or only create citations. I would choose to only create citations. And you want to do it in MLA style because we are an English class. And here is what you see. You see all these different options for the kinds of sources that you could have. I'm guessing that all of your sources are probably a website, and there are two things to note. One is this autofill mode. It's telling you to find a website by just entering its URL or keyword. When you do this, you will copy paste in the link and then it will try to make the citation based on looking at that website. However, sometimes that doesn't quite work or you might get an error message, and in that case, you want to try the manual entry mode. If I click the manual entry mode, it will bring up this here, which asks me for the article title, the contributor. So that's the authors or author. If there are no authors that you can find on that website, then you can just skip this part. The website title, the publisher slash the sponsor, the URL, and when it was published. Now, I have a citation here, or not a citation, a source here that I want to cite, and I'm gonna copy paste in the link because I want to see if it can do it for me in this autofill mode. So I'm going to copy paste it in and search. Ah, good. That's exactly the title of the article that I want to find. So this worked for me. I can select, it'll tell me what it found. I go to final step. It's not quite the final step because it shows me this that I showed you before with the manual entry. And then I click create citation and it pops up here at the top. Um, One thing to note is there are different ways that you can do this. You can check it for grammar, you can do in-text citations, delete, edit, copy. What I suggest is that when you get several citations like I have here, um, you can just copy them all into your document, or you can copy them one by just clicking on this here and then pasting it into a new document. Okay, so again, you have the source, you have citation machine, and hopefully all of your articles can be done with the autofill mode, but if they can't, I am sure that you can fill this out yourself based on your understanding of this article. So, for example, the title is here. The contributor and author is very easy for me to find. It's right here. The website title would be KQED. The publisher or the sponsor is again KQED. And I can paste the URL as well as when it was published, and there's the date right there. And if there's any sort of information that you can't find, you can of course just skip that part or that box if you have to do the manual entry mode. All right, good luck.